Yo, what's happening? Welcome to yet another New York vlog. Coming to you today directly right here from Central Park in the background. Not to come here for photos per se, it just felt like a very beautiful day and what a great place to hang out. Central Park just seemed very fitting, so yeah, just hanging out here. Still mid-afternoon sun, so not the perfect photography conditions just yet, but when they hit, and they will hit, we're going to be in for a beautiful sunset, and I know just the right place. We're going to be heading up to one of the highest bars in the whole of Manhattan, and it overlooks Times Square, so that's going to be epic. Can't wait to head up there. It's actually located in the Hyatt, so I'm going to walk across there as soon as we start dipping into the golden hour and the light just starts to become really tasty. Head over there, head to the top floor, order some drinks, get some photos in. It's going to be an amazing evening, so can't wait to show you guys that bar. Expectations are set really, really high, and I can't wait to hopefully walk away with some amazing photos. But right now, until then, let's enjoy Central Park, soak up the sun, and then yeah, photography awaits. Let's go. Check this out, I made it to the heart of Central Park, and here's the famous boat's house just there, which I've seen in many movies before, so it's kind of surreal just being here and seeing this. It's in the middle of winter, so they've packed away all the boats, but usually if you're here in summer, there's a lot of rowing boats on this pond, which just looks really beautiful. And another landmark that's instantly recognizable is this one right here. Check it out. Bethesda Fountain. Now for me, this is quintessentially Central Park. It's just awesome to see this in person. You'll have to make do with the video, but how cool is this? Just love this fountain here, and then back here is these very famous steps, and this is like the middle alley of Central Park, just the main street that runs right through it, and it's just a beautiful sight to be on a crisp winter day, beautiful sunshine in the air. But like I said earlier, I think we are slowly approaching that beautiful golden hour, and I don't want to waste it here because I haven't found a photography composition that really stands out for me and tickles my fancy. But the bar overlooking skyline of Manhattan is totally down my alley. So on that note, let's head over there and go head to the top of the Hyatt. The place is called Bar 54 on 45th Street, and yeah, I'm really excited to go up there and take you there with me. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Here really speak for themselves. I mean, they're just phenomenal. Really one of the best views I've ever seen in New York, hands down. But the most exciting thing really happened, and I got to the rooftop and there was a couple that just got engaged, and they asked me to take some photos for them. So I actually prioritized that over taking these sunset shots of the buildings. So I got some amazing photos of them that I'm really happy with, and I just gifted them to them because I think if I can take half decent photos and they just got engaged, I think that's a good combination and a good gift from me to them, just to give them something to remember. And yeah, I'm really happy for the shots. Do check out the engagement shots, here they are. And with love in the air and the engagement shot behind us, let's talk about the skyline. So it's really beautiful. You got the iconic H&M building here in Times Square, and then the whole Times Square just at the bottom of this building, which is just looking phenomenal. So I managed to catch just the very, very last bit of the orange sunset glow, because there was actually a wait list to get to the top of this bar, so I kind of missed the actual sunset, but the late sunset still looked really cool. Really happy for the shots. Here's some of the highlights, check them out. And now I'm just gonna finish this beer, wait for a bit, and then grab some night shots as well before I call it a night. Anyway, cheers to that. Well, what a crazy afternoon and evening has been. This is way more than I had bargained for. I just set out looking for an amazing view and I walked away for a spontaneous engagement shoot and an incredible sunset to match. That evening orange glow was just phenomenal. And now it's night and I doubt I'll find any more highlights than what I just encountered. So I think this is the perfect time to end this video. And I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and if you're interested in seeing future adventures just like this, we explore New York and various other places all over the world. I'd encourage you to hit that subscribe button below, and I'd also appreciate a like because that does help this channel grow. Anyway, that's it from me, signing off here in New York, Times Square. Good night, bye for now.